Hey guys, it's me AJ, and today I'm gonna be having a special guest on, and you'll see who it is. You probably already know from the title. So let's get on with this video. Hey guys, it's me AJ, and today it's gonna be a vlog, but I'm gonna have someone come on my YouTube channel with me for this video. It's gonna be Nature Gaming. Yeah. Do you guys know how I'm friends with a lot of YouTubers? Well, he's one of them. So, my dad is going to pick him up. And I am in the car right now, so we're going to pick him up. So, I'll let you know when he comes. Here.
Hi, guys. I didn't bring my iPad.
Oh.
Wait, should I grab it?
Nah, it's okay. It's okay, man.
Yeah. We could just do a collab for your channel.
Yeah.
iPod 6.
I'm not so sure.
Yeah, that is. I have the iPod 6 too.
Oh. So, explain where we're going to be going.
Laser tag.
And?
Sky Zone.
Yeah. So, what's the other dog's name?
Oh, the big one?
The white one.
Oh, Chloe.
Oh. Okay. So, this is your first time being on a channel.
Yeah.
My channel, yeah. And how do you feel? Okay.
It's just the same as being on my YouTube channel.
Okay.
Yeah.
Want to talk about your breakup? Okay.
What do you want to talk about, about it?
Like, how it happened, like...
She cheats.
I know, like, she cheated on me.
Yeah.
And I was all like, I'm done.
She cheats on everyone she dates.
Okay, but who did she, like,
I can't even name all of the names.
like, go to? Wait, like, there's a ton of names?
Yeah.
But who's the first person that you figured out it was?
Nate.
I know, right? Yeah, but he's always been dating Brooke, I think.
Yeah.
And
she said she didn't know much about her.
didn't you say that, Adam did it?
Yeah. Adam did too.
And you're still friends with him? Okay.
Yeah.
Like, you're still talking about it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know why I'm always squinting.
Well, stuff happens. Well, I'm sorry about your breakup.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, like, get on Walking Dead stuff, yeah.
Yeah, I love The Walking Dead. This is like an interview.
I know, right? Walking Dead, who's your favorite character?
Coral.
Carl! Carl! What would you use in the zombie apocalypse?
A Glock 19 and a machete.
I would have an axe. I would have a knife. I would have 44 Magnum.
Yeah.
And
a machete with a red handle.
no, I would have a machete with a red handle, yeah. And then I would have a G18.
And I would have a chain.
Hold on, a what?
A chain.
Oh, I thought you said a chick, like.
A chick. And then I would have my own personal coral.
Okay. I see the joke. So, like, if you were to be on The Walking Dead, and you were to play a whole new character, what would be your role in The Walking Dead?
Killing Negan.
Okay, but what would be your name?
Smith.
Smith?
Smith?
Boy, mine would be James.
James?
Yeah. Hi,
Jackson.
buddy. James Jackson?
Yeah, no, Jackson.
Oh, okay. Would you be like would you play like a midget 20-year-old or like a...
The tallest person in the world.
Oh, okay.
So I could just step on people.
So, okay. So, me, I would be James, and I would have like a 44 Magnum and a machete, and then I would like go around just like killing zombies. Like, I would be that type of guy. Like, kill zombies all day, every day, and then I would also be like very cool.
Very cool.
Very cool. And then I would be like Rick's second right-hand man next to Daryl. Yeah. Hey guys, I don't know if you guys can hear me, but we just won around the laser tag, and I came in first place. Daniel came in second place, but it was epic. We're gonna play another round again, and we'll let you guys know how it went. Guys, we just won the second round of laser tag, and Dan's playing Fruit Ninja. Hey guys, we just got...
Enjoy free Middle Ages beer in...
Okay, so guys, we're at Barnes and Noble right now to get some books, but
Wait, are we going in?
well, yeah,
Okay.
because I want to get a Walking Dead comic book.
Okay.
And then what we're also doing, right after we leave here, we're gonna go to Sky Zone. Guys, we are entering the store. Hey, comic books, yeah. Hey, we found them. Walking Dead. Oh.
Which one do you need? 8?
Dude, do you want a Walking Dead comic book?
I don't know.
Wait, what is this one? Anger.
This one?
Hey, AJ, I found you.
A larger world. Okay, I might get this one.
Did you read Wonder?
Dude, do you want one? Oh, okay.
No, it's okay. You've already spent enough money.
Yeah.
Oh, it's the screenplay of the
Yeah, I think I might get this one. And one more.
Oh, they finally made the second one. I got it for Christmas. My mother got I think it's
Oh, I already have this one. This is like the first. Get that back in. Yeah, guys, I'm getting a larger world. Hey, guys, and oh my God,
It made it in there?
it made it in there.
Dude, I threw a golf ball into my garage and it made it into a boot.
Awesome. So we're going to Sky Zone. And at Barnes & Noble, I actually got 2 Walking Dead books. Book 3 of Walking Dead, and then I got volume 19, A Larger World. And my dad got 2 books. And I'm very surprised because Dan didn't want to get a Walking Dead comic book.
I watched it on Netflix.
Yeah, but dude, Walking...
And chill.
Yeah, but the comic books are like really awesome.
I mean, get what I just said?
What? What?
Did you even get what I just said?
Yeah, I did, but like,
I watched it on Netflix and chill.
okay, but the comic books are different. Don't you want to know what happens in the comic books?
Yeah, kind of. Not really.
Really, dude? So yeah, we're going to Sky
Like the
Zone.
sand music in the background.
Yeah. Ah, what was that? No. Give me it. Ah, watch out. Dude.
Right there.
Okay. Okay, I'm recording. Awesome.
Here, I want to do a front flip holding next to the camera.
Wait, while holding the camera?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. The camera? Woohoo! Okay. Woo! Failed.
Oh, AJ!
Fail! Wait, I think you're covering the camera.
What? What is that? Here.
Everybody right here. Nice.
Hey guys, I actually just stole AJ's iPad. There he is. And then, okay, go subscribe to.
What are you
No, nothing. Go subscribe to Nature Gaming. Bye, 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 bye.
So guys, that was this video. I hope you enjoyed it.
Subscribe to Nature Gaming.
Boy.
I'm Nature Gaming.
Yeah, I know.
Nature Gaming is
It's
better
fake.
than Puma.
It's not Puma anymore. It's the real AJ 101. So,
Fake AJ
oh
101.
my god. Okay, thank you for being here, Dad.
Yep.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye.